Blendtec blender is? It's an all-in-one kitchen appliance that can replace your juicer, food processor, ice cream maker, coffee grinder, grain mill, margarita maker, and can also make resort-quality smoothies, fresh hot soups, chop, grind, liquefy, puree, and more, all with just one blade. Would you like to know more? The Blendtec jar is dishwasher safe and BPA free. You could drop it and it won't break. You can comfortably reach under and touch the blades without cutting your fingers. The simple, inexpensive kitchen solution can replace 8 appliances in your kitchen. It has automatic buttons for smoothie, soup, juice, and ice cream that stop on their own. You are able to push a button and walk away. The Blendtec blender can speed up, slow down, and stop all by itself. Its square jar dual blade patented design pulls ingredients down into the blades and liquefies your smoothies and juices, heats your soups, and grinds your flours, all with the same jar. The small and lightweight design makes it great for storage. It's only 7 pounds and 15 inches tall, so you can comfortably fit any Blendtec blender model under your cabinets. Blendtec blenders come with an 8-year warranty when you buy them directly from the manufacturer. All Blendtec blenders are made and assembled in Orem, Utah, and 80% of Blendtec materials and parts are made in America. Inside the box, you get a recipe book with over 300 recipes on soups, smoothies, juices, ice creams, salsas, dips, batters, and many, many more. And you also get a warranty card and a DVD which shows you how to use your blender. Blendtec offers 3 advanced designer blender models, which gives you more power and control, and a really nice sleek design, which looks fantastic in your kitchen. Blendtec offers 2 Classic Series blender models, which are a little more cost-effective and still give you the same blending capabilities. And finally, for you juice shop or coffee shop owners, Blendtec offers their most quietest blender ever built, the Stealth. Blendtec offers a strong refurbished blender line where you can purchase a Blendtec blender for a very, very low price, and there is a payment plan option available during checkout. You could also get free shipping by using the links on the Daily Vitamin website, plus extras and bonus rewards offered by the Daily Vitamin team to help ease your purchase. Would you like to know more? Read the reviews, do the research, watch the videos. Blendtec is a machine that could better your health and ultimately change your life. Do you know what a Blendtec blender is? It's an all-in-one kitchen appliance that can replace your juicer, food processor,